Take a look at this Instagram page. It's grown to over 50,000 followers with less than 150 posts, and most of the videos are hitting millions of views. So what's the secret? They're simply posting these viral face ASMR videos. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create the exact same type of content using AI in just a few clicks. The best part? This niche is still wide open, which means if you start now, you can grow insanely fast. Let's get into it. First, open ChatGPT and go to Apps. From there, click on GPTs and search for a GPT called Slime Face. Select it and click Start Chat. Now you'll see two options, person and background. For the person, type iShowSpeed, and for the background, choose travertine stone. Also make sure to add make it 9:16 aspect ratio and send it. You'll now get 5 text-to-image prompts and 1 video prompt. All of these are based on the character you selected. Copy the first text-to-image prompt and head over to Gemini. In Gemini, go to Create Image and paste the prompt. Generate the image and you'll get results like this. Download the image once you're happy with it. Now open Flow and click on New Project. Select Start and upload the image you just downloaded. Next, go back and copy the video prompt. Paste it into Flow. Make sure the aspect ratio is set to 9:16. Then click Generate. Within a short time, your video will be ready. Download it and that's it. Your AI ASMR slime face video is done. Thanks for watching. All the tools I used are in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.